light of His word. What a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still. Never fear, only trust and obey. When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still. Never fear, only trust and obey.
So hearty welcome to Strand Beach for a walk with your fellow confirmants for next year. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Please talk to me when I walk next to you. Don't be shy. I ask some questions to you. Please don't be shy, young people. I'm here to get to know you, and you're welcome to get to know me too. Understand your faith. We are learning as adults even. We are learning every divine service what the Holy Spirit tells us. We are learning all the time. Nobody can say we understand our faith perfectly. Nobody, none of us. So please grow with us, become strong in faith with us. And when we fall, please don't become despondent. Please take the hand of your brother or sister when he says, please come to church. Don't become cross and angry. He or she is wanting to help you. You still have to make the decision yourself. Please, let's be there for each other. I'm there for you. All the ministers are there for you. All the teachers are there for you. Okay. I want to ask the Bishop James, please, to come and just tell us what's going to happen next and how we're going to spend our time together. I'm very excited. Thank you for waking up early this morning. Thank you for the drivers to bring everybody here today safely. Thank you for everything you have done so far. I'm looking forward to have fun with you this morning. Thank you very much.
Right, good morning. Okay, we're going to walk that way for about 20 minutes. It's about 7 Ks. No, not so far, but 20 minutes. Then we look at the view, enjoy the walk, speak to the apostle, please, and all the other people, speak to your brothers and sisters. Then we'll turn around, we come here again to over there, and when you come back, there'll be something to drink. If you're over 18, no, or under 18. Confirmands, there's something to drink for the confirmands. We'll give you something, and then we'll form a 2024 sign over there on the beach, and we'll take a nice photo with the sea at the background. So that's it. Enjoy the walk, 20 minutes, and then we turn around. Bye.
When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still. Never fear, only trust and obey. When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still. Never fear, only trust and obey. Jehovah, imurisi wanga, zingakazi na chaba nchumu, unzifambisa madalweni, yarihlaza. Jehovah, imurisi wanga, zingakazi na chaba nchumu, not a front, not a crown, but is blessed if we trust and obey. Oh, namhla singebone uthando lukhona nxa sibeka konke lathini sichithwe